consider getting, and you will sort of be immersed with a wide range of detestations and puzzler of security and reimbursement modules combined with weighty loan costs that you will evade considering acquiring in government-issued types of money. Yet, presently you explicitly have an answer for sure in an unpretentious manner. The computerized resource world in a real sense is here to relieve your stresses over getting and loaning. The decentralized money convention isn't simply planned on blockchain calculations to figure out information-related availability and marking obstacles, yet in addition to address sort of your frightening worries connected with getting and loaning. One sort of such arrangement is given by Aave, a DeFi stage that empowers individuals to exchange computerized resources as well as gives choices to loan and by and large get crypto. Like government-issued types of money, loan specialists of digital currencies additionally for the most part get revenue, and borrowers pay revenue on cryptographic forms of money also. The framework goes through no adjustment of component versus government-issued types of money. As per Aave cost expectation, Aave has made the fundamentally whole framework moderately simple and conceivable to an average person, putting his cash-related stresses very still. The Aave benefit. Computerized resource holders benefit all benefits of getting and loaning, since the local, especially token Aave, gives a rebate to the individual dealing with the crypto on the stage. Like truly different monetary standards, Aave also is administered by market opinions and dealers' financial planning designs. The symbolic advantages to financial backers are massive, and Aave is focused on acquiring financial backers' trust with a plenty of elements bait commonly an ever-increasing number of brokers too as time passes. Aave additionally offers fixed and variable loan fees and permits clients to exchange their preferred cash. Aave, the street ahead. What's to come truly is very brilliant for Aave, as the corporate has imagined a generous vision for Aave. With a plenty of developments prepared, the market bend has generally certain signs for Aave. Nonetheless, specialists have fundamentally demonstrated long-haul crypto forecasts as exceptionally high that urge financial backers and brokers to feel free to put resources into this digital currency in a light market with certainty, killing the intricacies of the decentralized environment. Aave has been made with the sole goal of a really multi-useful and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds. Aave, the immense potential. Aave fundamentally is recorded on different noted trades like Binance, Coinbase, and OKEX. Right from the hour of commencement, Aave has been performing at a level with development boundaries obviously demonstrating certainty among other digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Aave empowers decentralized trades to offer quick and reasonable exchanges for their clients. Reconciliation with Aave assists these trades with most certainly running on steroids, making them dependable and explicitly secure. No big surprise, this decentralized trade drives the fate of advanced resources. Aave likewise goes about as a loaning and credit scoring stage for vendors. The merchants can find out the value and believability of their borrowers, seeing their exchange history working with loaning of tokens to the people who have a superior potential for success of ideal reimbursement. The brain science of clients assumes an urgent part in the crypto market feeling. Costs are extremely delicate to the group's psychological methodology towards giving a push to any crypto token. Aave, also in every way that really matters, is no exemption, which is genuinely critical. The dormancy that at first truly played for Aave and truly last year is no genuinely more there, as the token has most certainly acquired client trust, getting benefit for financial backers and dealers a major way. The downswing that played for Aave in 2020 in a real sense dissipated in the setting of its mechanical arrangement. A regularly and definitely noticed quality of Aave is that it has shown the most whimsical and fluctuating conduct incredibly. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear nailing down development. In view of our conjectures, a drawn-out increment in a real sense is normal. The cost guess for 2026 is $7.37. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to basically be around plus 732.86%. In light of our conjectures, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2026 most certainly is $7.37, which truly is very critical. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to by and large be around plus 732.86%, as indicated by our cost expectations. Aave cost could exchange around $907.88 toward the finish of 2022 and $5,274.25 toward the finish of 2026. The value forecasts of different specialists don't prevent the coin from outflanking the opponent coins using any and all means. Aave People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, despite incredibly. Aave will outperform the assumptions for all digital money financial backers who have found this stage very intuitive and straightforward. The ongoing cost of Aave waits around $146.32 with a market capitalization of $1,952,817,652.22 with an exchanging volume of $305,349,990.34 in a significant manner. The best tips to put resources into Aave will be to explicitly purchase on plunges. As of now, Aave is at the pinnacle, despite the fact that there could be deceiving treat for us as far as Aave. Similar to some other digital currency, it is shrewd to hang tight for one more round of up bullish push, despite the fact that other major crypto monsters appear to be getting online entertainment publicity. Aave will without a doubt consistently show a sort of certain example, continually rising. And the impending years will be one of the most outstanding times of Aave with value expectations of at least $1,200 without a doubt. Aave Value Expectation 2022. With associations and unions and local area financing, the market glances back at Aave to perform, arriving at a typical degree of $181.15, which basically is very hopeful yet unquestionably doable. Aave Value Expectation 2023 amazingly. With any progressions in GOFT, strategies and guidelines, Aave cost may too have its portion of murky days. Aave cost ought to cruise smoothly at $249.73 or max show homage $224.67, making it not for the most part fall however play predictable. Aave Value Expectation 2024. Aave cost pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful development way in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions amazingly. New organizations would carry Aave convention to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded cryptographic money taking Aave cost around $241.23, which is very huge. Aave Value Forecast 2025. Or so they explicitly thought. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for digital currencies that are opponents of Aave. The value skyline is pretty exceptionally brilliant for Aave in a significant manner. It doesn't exclusively put money on decentralization, or so they thought. As indicated by our cost forecasts, Aave could exchange around the $335.63 mark toward the finish of 2025. Aave Value Expectation 2026. Having seen a huge DApp reception somewhat recently that for the most part drove the cost of Aave. From the very outset of 2026, Aave has stamped huge development incredibly. In the beginning of 2026, it could cross the $303.98 cost mark, yet later confronted adjustment and keep on exchanging around $275.96. The token is acquiring fame among financial backers, and the Aave cost is set to take off to a typical cost of $272.95 before the current year's over. Does Aave have a future? Aave explicitly is one digital currency that will have a brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, Aave will lead the crypto realm. Thus, for the purpose of installment, it would have a long reign incredibly. Is Aave better than Bitcoin? At the point when it generally comes to exchange speed and charges, Aave essentially is without a doubt better compared to Bitcoin. The kind of typical time taken for handling an exchange by Aave